Morning passengers, morning. I just want to say welcome and thanks for booking the ticket with the airline. As you know, this is a flight number B22 and I know Popcorn is some about the place about out. Why? But it's a Spirit of Jamaica Airline up in the air where we get a feel of Jamaica as we fly around the world. Now today we are leave from Dextazlab Bay to Miami and then we are going to touch down in New York. Now me take a look around and I notice it look like someone I fly for the first time. Can I see someone with a tank top and sleeveless and shorts and everything in the middle of December I go New York. I'm not serious. Right now I laugh, I'm gonna laugh, you know, I can't wait for the plane touchdown. Listen to me passengers, I'm gonna set this out early. When you see that button beside the light, it's not working. Because I'm not even supposed to dare work, I feel me and feelings. So guess what, you see that button there? Just don't touch it. Just don't touch it and we have a good flight, just avoid it. Now you might know so we have the two fastest runner alive. But we also have the fastest plane alive because we are left from right outside Dextazlab Bay, go all the way to New York in 1 hour. We avoid all traffic, all patrol, and we reach a quick and speedy choppy road right now. Next thing I know, I'm going to make you know say, the bathroom door free, a $10 I use. We don't know how much you pay for the ticket, you know. We don't know how much you pay for the ticket. I want the cheapest ticket this on the market. So guess what? Bathroom can't come free. You see me, if you don't want me, can give you a back still and can deal with yourself and I'm going to come off right now, I'm going to let it off and hurry up and come back. Next thing I know, if you're a pitney and I tell them have to sit down in a lap, you know. Them have to sit down in a lap. Psst. Big old man. Over there, sir. Oh, you want so pretty? Can't I tell number? Ella, you don't have a seat. No, man, you must have a seat, man. You never pay for your ticket. Oh, you put the youth in your seat. I hear a business that, you know. You have to turn up till you reach New York, you know, because we're not clean a seat for you, you know. Alright, hold on, you know. So me hear some chirping and some talking go on. Like so when I say, why the plane take off yet? Look side down. When you see an empty seat, don't. We not go find with an empty seat in our plane. We not go find worse than them at time and we no business about no social distancing. The plane not go find pack. It have to go pack and we not waste a tank of gas. We can't waste a tank of gas. Nuts, cash, peanut. That's it. Now I know some man wonder why I not wearing a mask. Listen to me. When you're too fast, when you chat too much, I turn on a phone of business. Me well covered and protected. You know. What about you? What about you? Look at you. You travel alone with your parents. And your father that. Don't point for him. And your father. Ella, you hear son that? No, sir. Are you wife that side there? Mommy, you have to do better, you know. I'm shut my mouth now anyway. Up here I get cold and I get my jacket. Passengers, quick public service announcement so make you know. So we have a special guest on the flight, right? Now you know the reggae coach they're on the flight. We just start making you know right now, so the farm reggae coach up on the flight. And we start making you know say when the flight are offload, you say allow him to leave the flight before you know, because as you know, him lack vision. So he need to get off before you know. Are we just cough? Yo, come off. Come off! We not carrying a COVID go fire today. Come off! No, me know some people make some concern about social distancing and them things. Listen to me now. Just spray up on alcohol and them things. No good. Mommy. Psst. Mommy. You look hungry, man. You're not hungry. Mommy, we're not really supposed to serve food on a flight. I still have some food on our back of sell, you know. $10 for your box food, you know. You can't give me a strength. Support you, no, mommy. Also, we are hustling, you know.